Okay. So now I'm changing it back to two-way. It says setting is failed, but it's not. It's going to be good to go. Press OK. Okay. Turn the ignition on. Okay. And then now you go back to setup and check the keyless access setting. Its current setting is two-way. So now you're good to go. Okay. That was just double checking it to make sure that it was good. Okay. Down the ignition's on. So now we're going to go to add Honda Smart Key. Turn the ignition off. Take one working key, which is this one, in the vehicle. Turn the ignition on. It's communicating with the vehicle. Remember, the other key doesn't work. Okay, it says take out all the keys. Okay, so I'm gonna take out all the keys. Okay. Now it says take all keyless access out of the remote. Okay, now bring the new one in. So the issue that I had where it wouldn't go in, it was because it just doesn't sit in the car like that. I had to put it on the button in order for it to recognize the key. See? Now it says keyless access remote is now registered. Turn off the ignition. So I turn it off. Turn the ignition on. Okay. Keyless access remote light went out on the dashboard. Yes, it went out. Turn the ignition off. Press OK. Keyless access remote. Switch it on.